Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to make fajita rice. First we have to marinate the chicken. 250 gram chicken, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1.5 tablespoon chili flakes, 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil. We have to mix all of it.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Mix together properly. Let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes. Take one onion and cut into slices like this. Take 2 capsicums and cut into slices like this. You can also add red and yellow bell peppers. For frying chicken, 2 tablespoons of oil. Add marinated chicken. Cook on medium to low flame. Cover and cook. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. When chicken is tenderized, turn off the flame and set aside. Now boil the water for rice. You can add water according to your rice. Add 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoon vinegar and 1 tablespoon oil. When the water is boiled, add rice, washed and soaked rice. Now cook the rice and set aside. Okay, now for saute vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Saute for a minute. Add slices onion. Please like and comment this video. Okay, now add julienne capsicums. Mix and saute for a minute. Don't overcook. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons red chili sauce. Saute and set aside. In a pan, add 1/4 cup water and 1 chicken stock cubes. When it's melt, add saute veggies, chicken and mix all the ingredients. Then add cooked rice. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. On top, add half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon chicken powder, mix all the ingredients together slowly and it's perfectly done. Must try everyone and don't forget to share with me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.